Ice bath. Alana, what's your favorite part about ice bath?
Nothing about ice bath. Not taking ice bath.
What's your least favorite part about ice bath?
When you get in.
Alright. Allie, what's your favorite part about ice bath?
My favorite part
Yeah.
is enduring the cold with my teammates and pain with my teammates.
Good answer, Allie. What's your least favorite part about ice bath?
Doing it alone.
Yeah, I'm gonna say roommates.
Right. About
My favorite ice bath is
Your
getting.
favorite ice bath?
My favorite part about ice baths is getting.
Oh, there's an ice cube in my toe!
Oh no. Is getting to be less sore the next day and how it feels good. And my least favorite part is when I get really, really cold and I get numb.
Very good answer.
How did you do it? I like held it like this and then you go like drop your
Teamwork, ladies. Teamwork.
Okay, you had it in. Now like grab it. Oh, there you go. Oh, good, good.
Good work.
You kind of like fondle the ice in. It works.
You guys are having a great conversation right now.
Allie, our cup's gonna overflow.
Oh, wait, it's still on?
Yeah.
Oh no.
1, 2, 3. What's your favorite part about ice bath?
It's so cold.
What's your least favorite part?
It's so cold.
After what was through the well, don't ask me, I'll never tell. I'm take you out the cell. And
Wait,
you're done. And now you're in my way.
Oh yeah, we definitely need some music for this.
Is it out? For a wish. Sing you some down for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way.
Don't feel cold and ripped jeans.
Gonna show us.
Hot night where we're going. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you.
Alright, Allie and Courtney are about to get in the cold tank. And it looks like they're gonna like, but this is the product. One, 2, 3.
It's so cold. It's so cold.
Sorry, like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain, I'm on the bleach.
You're on Timberline right now.
It's been here the whole time. You can see that I'm the one who understands you. Been here all alone, so why can't you?
Oh my god. I feel so bad.
You belong with. It's almost no.
The first minute is the worst, and you're almost at a
The
minute.
polar plunge.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There goes the water.